Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace the PCV valve guys, okay, on Dodge Dart. Now we're working on 2.4 engine, but we're in the process of getting a 1.4 and 2.0 guys. As you can see, we have the engine out of the car. Why? Because we'll have at least guys 100 videos on this engine alone. Okay, we'll be taking everything apart. And being in the vehicle, we cannot show you with a great detail how to do things. So we decided to pull it out and show you, so you know what to expect guys. Now we will have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, let us know if the video was helpful, and let's start on it. So first thing guys that we need to do, we need to remove that engine cover. So how you do that? You just grab it guys firmly and pull it out. You have 4 rubber bushings on it guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, and those rubber bushings, okay, let me show you where they attach. They attach right here to the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, right there. So once you remove that cover, okay, looking that way the engine guys, check this thing out. Right here on the right side of the engine, you're going to have guys that valve. This is called the PCV valve. And this valve, okay guys, could be really problematic. We'll have a video that explains the symptoms of a bad valve and how you may think that you have a bad engine because of that valve. Just disconnect the hose now, okay, and we're going to need, in our case I think it's a 24mm socket, deep socket guys. All the tools and parts, including guys the replacement PCV valve, you can find the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out guys. We'll go ahead and get it loose. Now this is it guys, right here, this is the PCV valve. How simple that thing is to remove, right? It takes just a few seconds to take care of that problem. Now we have a video that explains how to test them. There is a ball that opens and closes, how to test them, what the symptoms are of a bad valve and all that stuff. So make sure you check out the video guys. If you need to buy one, we have the link. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.